In this video, I want to show you how you can eat for just $4 in a day. I'm gonna go grab some food from a place that I always get food from, or every other day or so, because I have 2 or 3 places where I go and get food. But this is one of them, and you will see I can get 2 big chicken legs grilled freshly on the grill with rice, cabbage, and some, I don't know how they're called, not beans, but something like that, peas I think they're called, for just 100 baht, which is less than $3. And then we're gonna go to the supermarket, buy some tomatoes as well, and some cucumber, and you can eat this meal, like I usually eat 2 times from it because it is a lot. And I just got a haircut and my hair is a little messy, but you can eat 2 times from it in a day. And especially if you're buying the tomatoes and the cucumber, basically it won't cost you more than $4, or can be even less than $4, and you can eat 2 times in a day and be full. I know maybe most of you are having 3 meals a day, but trust me, if you eat this 2 times, you'll be okay. So $4 per day multiplied by 30 days, you can actually eat for $120, and you don't need to cook. And yeah, let me show you the place. So they have 1 chicken, 1 pork. Kapung kap. Andu. Kapung kap. Alright, so that was 100 baht, as I said. Got a big grilled chicken leg and 2 pieces of pork chops. I don't know exactly how you would call these, but I'm gonna show you exactly what we got once we get home. But yeah, just less than $3, and you get rice, you get cabbage, you get the peas, green peas, as I said, and 1 big chicken leg and 2 grilled pork chops. So now let's go to the supermarket and buy some tomatoes and some cucumbers. On our way to the supermarket, I saw a 7-Eleven here and wanted to buy something, I don't even know what it's called, that I have seen many Thai people just sniff on. It seems like something that, they sniff on, that maybe you do when you're sick or something like that, in order to decongest your nose. But I don't think it's that. Someone told me about that I should buy it. It's actually a client of mine, Karim. So shout out to Karim. He told me that I should buy it, but they apparently don't have it here. So they told me I should go to another 7-Eleven and check it out. But heading to the supermarket now. Alright, so we got home. Let me tell you what we got. So everything you see here, grilled pork and beautifully grilled chicken leg, plus the rice, plus the cabbage and the peas, costed 100 baht. Okay, that is about $3, okay, for all of this. Okay, and if I were to take 2 chicken legs instead of 1 chicken leg and this pork over here, 2 pieces of pork, it would have costed less, like 90 baht, 90. On top of that, we went to the supermarket and we bought some cucumber, 17.25, and some tomatoes, 15.50. So all of these comes out to be 132 plus 75 baht, which is $3.89. Right? $3.89. I just checked it on the internet. This is what you get for $3.59, and everything is fresh. Rice is warm. This is freshly cooked. Everything is fresh and healthy. So all this meal, maybe here in the video doesn't look like much. All of this food, you can actually eat 2 times from this and be very satisfied. So you can eat for less than $4 per day, right? If you eat 2 times a day and you eat from like this food, you would be okay. You can eat for less than $4 a day in Thailand, which is less than $120 a month. Basically, you can eat for $3.90, $3.89 per day. You can survive with that. But I want to show you something else because I bought something else. And this is chicken liver. And it's nearby another place where I live. Not another place where I live. It's another place nearby where I live. And one stick costs 10 baht. So for those 3, I paid 30 baht, which is a little less than $1. I'm just gonna show you how it looks. I think this is amazing because liver is really healthy. They don't have beef liver, but this, they have chicken liver, and I'm eating this every day. It's absolutely amazing. So this is how it looks like. Grilled chicken liver. Amazing. Alright, I'm gonna dig in. But this was just to show you what is possible here. And of course, it depends on where you live, but you can definitely find places like this.